You hear that sound? That's what it sounds like when your seeds are ready to make some pumpkin salt. This condiment is very easy to make and very, very delicious. All you need is a few ingredients and patience while toasting your pumpkin seeds. As you toast them, blackening your seeds a little makes your salt delicious. Blackening them too much makes your pumpkin salt not so good. If you see that some of your seeds are getting way over toasted, pluck them out into your mortar. It's important to crush these into pieces and not to blend them. We don't want a buttery consistency. So here's my favorite part. I love hearing this crackle sound as I crush, and the aroma, it's so nice. Salt your crushed seeds to taste. Once you like the consistency and the flavor, now you're ready to put it into your favorite Mexican meals or on anything you like. There's many variations to the salt. I'll bring you more ideas on different ways you can make this. Subscribe, like, donate if you can. Hope to see you soon. And I invite you to watch more of my videos. Here are some links for a few.